small business owners are optimistic. In a recent survey by the NFIB, a small business survey revealed small business owners are looking optimistic going forward. I think this is a huge indication of a good economy going forward because small businesses account for 99.9% of all businesses in the United States. There are 33.2 million small businesses in the United States that employ roughly 62 million employees, which is almost half of the private workforce in the United States. Small businesses also account for, and this is very important, roughly 2/3 of job creation in the United States. The health of a small business is very important, and from the survey, 14% reported the business was in excellent health and 55% reported their business was in good health. Now, 28% said that their business was in fair condition, but only 4% reported that their business was in poor shape. They do point out that the single most important problem they're dealing with is labor cost. 26% are raising compensation for their employees, and 20% of small businesses say they plan to raise compensation for their employees in the next 3 months. 56% of small business owners reported capital outlays in the next 6 months, with 40% spending on new equipment and 26% acquiring new vehicles. 15% of small businesses spent money to improve or expand their facilities, while roughly 10% spent money on new fixtures and furniture. People are uncertain of the economy going forward, and many are still concerned about how the tariffs will play out. This small business survey and the recent jobs report, well, that gives me optimism going forward. And while we are still somewhat cautious on investing in the broader base stock market, we believe things are looking pretty good for the economy as a whole. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.